When it comes to finding the newest and greatest gadgets available, you've come to the right place. Today, I'll be creating a video about the best backyard inventions of the year. If you enjoy the gadgets and would like to purchase them, simply click on the links provided in the product description box. 15. Traeger Ironwood to prepare to experience the future of backyard grilling with the Traeger Ironwood. The Traeger Ironwood is an electronic grill that uses compressed sawdust fuel pellets to cook dishes like wood, coals, and smoke. It offers a touchscreen interface for cooking modes and temperature adjustments, remote control for managing grilling, and easy cleaning. The grill is the size of an oven, making it easy to install at home. And it also features an ash hatch tray and can be controlled via a mobile app. The price starts at $1,800. 14. Thermacell LIV. Thermacell LIV is a smart mosquito repellent system that revolutionizes outdoor activities. It uses liquid heating elements and atomization processes similar to traditional antimicrobial plugins. The system can be set up in different parts of the garden by connecting underground units with wires. The sprayer is controlled via Wi-Fi, and if the power is accurate, several devices can clear mosquitoes from an area of about 100 square meters. The creators hope their invention will be taken more seriously, as mosquitoes seem to enjoy people's discomfort. 13. Ice & Go Pro Rink Kit. The Ice & Go Pro Rink Kit is a customizable and durable solution for creating a professional-grade backyard ice rink. It offers a sideboard bracket concept for easy assembly of a sturdy 16-inch high rink frame using 2x4 lumber and 3 8-inch plywood. The kit's bladder-style liner design protects the surface from pucks and skates and allows easy access to verify if the water below the ice is frozen. With a 4.5-inch ice thickness, it can withstand Canadian winter conditions and resurface the ice for a professional quality finish. 12. Rally Lightcam D1. With its adaptable design, the Lightcam D1 wireless camera from REI may be hung from a railing fastened to a tree or planted in the ground. It syncs with a smartphone and streams full HD photos. It has a motion sensor, alarm, and strong flashlight. The purpose of the camera is to record the natural environment, including squirrels, gophers, and parrots building their nests inside of birds' nests. It costs $99. 11. Outdoor stair lifts. With their ability to facilitate higher entryways, patios, and backyards for individuals with physical disabilities, outdoor stair lifts have completely transformed the industry. Designated by companies such as Bruno, Handicare, and Harmar, these weather-resistant lifts provide bespoke choices that blend in well with the external decor of your house. These lifts give a smooth, comfortable ride and enable you to enjoy your outside spaces with confidence, thanks to features like swivel chairs, safety sensors, and lightweight builds. 10. Suncast Backyard Oasis. To improve your outdoor living space, Suncast Backyard Oasis has a variety of products for outdoor living. While the outdoor bar offers plenty of storage and an integrated bottle opener, the basic unit serves as the weatherproof base for your outdoor setup. Patio necessities can be neatly arranged with the 130-gallon capacity of the vertical deck box. Sleek and contemporary, the entertaining bar provides a special area for pouring beverages and entertaining visitors. Your outdoor living experience will be enhanced by these adaptable products, which assist you in creating a true outdoor hideaway. 9. Scary Bird. According to a research by the Scary Birds business, little birds that enjoy pecking at seeds, such as crows, wagtails, pigeons, and sparrows, frequently ruin recently planted crops. Regular scarecrows lose their effect after a few days, while large birds of prey always make little birds nervous. Instead of allowing sparrows to pursue insects, the kite imitates a predatory bird by rotating on a hinged rod and creating a threatening shadow to protect upcoming plants. 8. Clear Christmas string lights. With each transparent mini light spaced 3 inches apart on 26.5 feet of green wires, comes this creative mini Christmas light set of 100. It is safe for use both indoors and outdoors because it is constructed of high-quality materials and has UL-listed certification. Warm white light with eye protection is featured in this set, which may be used for garden, balcony, tree, and bedroom decor. The lights have an average lifespan of 2,500 hours and are robust and autonomous. For simple replacement, extra fuses and bulbs are included. 7. Keter Patio Cooler and Beverage Cart. Designed to enhance your outside dining experience, the Keter Patio Cooler and Beverage Cart is an adaptable outdoor item. Its 89.8 quart capacity provides plenty of room for food and drinks, and its fold-down shelves and integrated bottle opener complete the package. It's ideal for pool parties and summer get-togethers because it has a strong metal handle and 360-degree rotating wheels. 6. Tripod. With a feeling of coziness and weightlessness akin to a beehive, the Tripod suspended home was designed by the project designers. Designed to prevent cold nights from rising and freezing moisture, the pod is hanging from a tree branch. It's more pleasant than a beehive because there aren't thousands of other people buzzing about, because the durable cloth brick does not lose its shape. 5. Poo pail. With its hinged top, the poo pail is a handy pet waste disposal tool that makes cleanup a breeze. By opening the lids and grabbing the dustpan, owners can easily clean up the mess. Time and effort are saved since the strong lid stays in place even in windy circumstances. It is anticipated that people will use the $39 poo pail in yards and on public streets. 4. Inyo Pools Leaf Eater Vacuum. A little undersea vacuum cleaner called the Inyo Pools Leaf Eater Vacuum is intended to clear leaves from swimming pools. Its circular, wheeled, brush-equipped body attaches to a garden hose and plunges into the swimming pool. Like an aquarium snail, pressure is created when the hose's jet separates by a nozzle. As it glides across the bottom, the vacuum draws leaves into a bag. It operates slowly, so be patient and think about using a longer handle. $1.50 is the price. 3. Oakland Storage Shed. A flexible outdoor storage option that fits in your backyard is the Keter Oakland Storage Shed. It is constructed out of rubber and metal and has windows, a hatch, a large entrance, prefabricated panels, and a ventilation system. The shed is made with little chance of rust and is simple to construct and maintain. In order to maintain dry and well-lit gardening equipment, it also has a ventilation system. The cost of the shed is $1,600. 2. Hanso Pergola. A metal pergola designed by engineers is strong and storm-proof. It can withstand gusts of up to 193 km and remain stable in a meter of snow. The roof is designed with louvers that let in breezes and sunlight but block out precipitation and snow. The pergola is intended to resemble the protecting panels found in store windows, and it costs $4,300. 1. Floor protection plate. ASG provides an asphalt or gravel parking space creation solution. Their 6 and a 2 kilogram reinforced fiberglass plastic panels have a maximum load capacity of 12.5 tons on concrete and 40 tons on asphalt. Although it takes a lot of time and energy to lay these panels, they are perfect for trucks or crawling tractors. The panels withstand weathering, and patching ruts is more difficult. But installing these panels ahead of a large automobile party is a laborious task. Thank you all for joining us on this journey of discovery. Until next time, happy exploring and enjoy your backyard oasis.